welcome back to ENV News. I'm Serena Roper-Smith.
I'm Archer Herring, and we have a very special show for you today. We all know that plastic in our oceans is becoming an increasingly dangerous problem. Small particles of it can build up in marine organisms' digestive system, strangle animals, and be mistaken for food.
That's right, Archer. However, we just got word of a new microbe that can actually break down and eat plastic. One source tells us that a Japanese research team has done extensive experimentation on this microbe and has discovered that these microbes could be used to consume our plastic waste before we even have the chance to throw it in the ocean. That's why we sent out our field newscaster, Peyton to talk to scientist Cade about his proposition to establish a plastic waste disposal site in Ventura that uses these microbes to reduce the amount of plastic that enters our ocean.
This idea would greatly improve the ecosystem health of the Channel Islands and also protect our native species. On to you, Peyton.
Thanks, Archer. So, Dr. Oster, I think we would be all for your idea to get rid of plastic using microbes, but what I'm curious about is how does the process actually work?
Well, what we know so far is that these microbes, called Idenella cyconicis, have actually evolved over time to use plastic as an energy source. And I'll demonstrate it. Actually, I brought a sample today. Come over here, I'll show you. So what you want to do is put the bag down, and then you pour some microbes out. And then you wait for the microbes to consume the bag. Then, as you can see, the microbes have eaten the bag. These microbes eat polyethylene terephthalate, or PET, by attaching to the surface of the plastic and secreting an enzyme onto it, which generates a chemical. Once that chemical is taken up by the cell, another enzyme breaks the PET down. This provides the microbe with the carbon and energy it needs to grow.
Wow, how interesting. And if you don't mind me asking, if we did use this microbe to consume our plastic here in Ventura, a certain source tells me it could have negative effects on other ecosystems if released into the wild. Is this true?
Well, actually, we wouldn't be putting it straight into the ocean. I am proposing a center where our citizens can bring all the plastic and the microbes and can break it down in a controlled and confined environment, so it doesn't ever make it into the ocean.
What an innovative solution. Well, thank you so much for your time, Dr. Oster. Archer, back to you.
Well, this is very exciting news for us, Serena. I'm sure that Ventura County will be very happy to hear about our innovating community.
Yes, very true, Archer. Well, thanks for watching. We'll be back next week with a very special show on the decline of starfish along the West Coast.
I'm Archer Herring.
I'm Serena Roper-Smith.
And this is ENV News.